Now, some of you are thinking, well, that's great and all, Aventico, but how do I make sure your messages get received and I do it on the phone? Well, I'm going to show you right now how to make sure that you get your promotions out and into the inbox. So, first you want to do is you want to open the Gmail on your phone and then click the 3 dashes up here. Click those. And what you want to do is you want to go to my message. It'll be in promotions probably. So we'll use this as an example. Click this. And what you want to do is you want to click on the 3 dots. See those 3 dots here? Click those 3 dots. Then you want to go to move to. So you press move to. And then you want to press primary. So you select that. And there you go. It will say move to primary. So now, as you can see, it is in the inbox. And that's how you do it. Thank you. And make sure to stay an awesome entrepreneur and keep on hustling.